You're watching Mayrian Rivera YouTube channel.
Welcome to Balboa Park in California.
Mahal ka, pusta ka na. Mag-iingat ka palagi, huwag ka mag-alala. Limang di ka makasama ngayon, pero hindi yun rason para ako ay maghanap pa ng iba. Sapagkat ako'y kontento na sa'yo lang ako. Ikaw ang pumupeto sa mundo ko, huwag bumako. Kaya wala nang dahil para ako'y magloko. Basta babae na nagkabiyak na ng buhay ko. Kaya magtiwala ka lang, lagi mong tatandaan. Walang makita ng maaari sa aking kakahadlang. Kahit malayo ka man, makakaasang hanggang dulo di ka mabalitan. Kaya mahal, magtiwala ka lang. Di magbabago, magiging ko'y sa'yo lang. Kahit malayo ka man. Pinaglayo, baka mapagtipayin ang hindi na mabigo. Hawak kami na kinapitan ng pangakong binuo na kailan hindi papapinag sa tuksong mapangguyo. Mapaglako, si Watala, susubukin katatag makasiguro lang na tayong daway tinadhana. Kakayanin ng lahat, mapatunayan sa pagmamahal ko lagi sa'yo ay tapat. Malayo hanaping pagitan sa ngayon, huwag umiyak. Sapagkat magkakayakap ang ulian ng tiyak. Palagi kang inaalala sa mandalhin ng yapak ng aking mga pakama na napili ang galak. Ang galak na muli ng mahagkan at halikan. Nagkasamang susulitin ang pabilugan ng buwan sa aking pagpapalik. Sabay natin dudugtungan ang ating kwento ng pag-ibig na ating sinulat. Nakakapanibago, di alam kung paano kung makakayanan na hindi kita kasama. Ang distansya natin di napakalayo. Paano kung makakatayo yung pagitan natin libo-libo na espasyo. Matagal pa nga siguro na luminaw ang malabo na ikaw ay makasama kahit nasa kabila ka makipayo. Pero kahit na ganon pa man, makatandaan palagi na andito lang ako. Sa'yo nag-aantay nakaabang. Sa muli mo pagbalik kahit malayo man. Ating pagitan, mapuputangin ko ipapupakon sa inyo. Niwala at lubos.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me. And honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
If God had a name, what would it be, and would you call it to his face? If you were faced with him and all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on a bus, trying to make his way home. If God had a face, what would it look like? And would you wanna see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and the Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. Just trying to make his way home. Like a holy rolling stone, back up to heaven all alone. Just trying to make his way home.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm having
Mega love shout out to Miss Nancy Mix channel. Thank you so much and God blessed always. Mega love shout out to Miss Jonah Dela Cruz. Thank you so much and God blessed always. Mega love shout out to Sir Brendo blog. Thank you so much and God blessed always.
Something deep Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Mega love shout out po sa lahat. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you Team Mariposa, Team Viking Dream, Team Sabik, Team Bahay Kubo, at syempre sa lahat ng mga teams, ng mga kakulab. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga teams, at syempre sa lahat ng mga YouTube friends na walang sawang sumusuporta sa ating mga videos. Maraming salamat po. Ayun. Mag-iingat po ang lahat. God bless everyone.
Thank you for watching on my video.
I love you.
See you again on my next videos.
All things are
Don't
possible
forget to hit
with
likes,
God.
comment, share, and
Bye.
hit the
See you
notifications bell
next
for updated on
time.
my next videos. Thank you and keep safe always everyone. God bless you.